Number 1. The 1977 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $7,000. The car is believed to have been custom-built for Sammy Davis Jr., a legendary member of the Rat Pack. It clearly needs restoration. The exterior is still in its original form, but the paint is dull and there is rust in some areas, particularly under the body. The interior needs significant repairs, with torn seats and a worn dashboard. The speedometer shows 61,000 miles, and the car's original V8 engine is still present, but the engine compartment is dirty and disorganized, with some loose wires visible. Although the car is still running, its overall condition clearly requires extensive attention and repair to restore it to optimal condition. Number 2. The 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $17,000. It comes in a stunning maroon color, a special finish from House of Color, with the paint and trim of the car in excellent condition. The car was restored in 2017, including the installation of a full black vinyl roof and a complete refinishing of all trim. The chrome bumpers fit perfectly with the body, and HID headlights were added during the restoration. The engine bay is also neatly maintained. The car is equipped with various new components, such as the gas tank and sending unit, as well as LED lights. It uses mixed radial tires sized 215/60 R17 in the front and 225/60 R17 in the rear, mounted on custom US mag wheels, all in excellent condition. Under the hood, there is a 350 SID V8 engine with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, an upgraded EPS aluminum intake manifold, and dual exhaust, supported by a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. The car also offers comforts like factory air conditioning, which currently doesn't work, variable ratio power steering, and electric disc brakes, with the odometer showing 26,000 miles, indicating the car has been relatively sparingly used since its restoration. Number 3. The 1972 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $14,000. This beautiful car is available to those who are lucky. It has a 429C Thunderjet 7.0L big block V8 engine, capable of producing 375 HP, with a new Edelbrock 1407 700 CFM 4-barrel carburetor, along with a triangle-shaped Edelbrock air filter. Its ignition system has been upgraded with new HEI electronic components and Taylor Thunder wires, along with a new starter, alternator, and voltage relay. The transmission is a 3-speed automatic C6, with front tires sized 25B15 Toyo GSI-5 and rear tires 275 by 15 BF Goodrich Radial T/A. The car can accommodate 6 passengers and is equipped with a power steering system. The body condition is very healthy, with almost no rust considering its age, as it has never been exposed to snow or rain. The rear bumper has also been refurbished with new chrome. The car has always been stored in a heated garage. All original engine parts that have been modified will be included. Number 4. The 1969 Chrysler Newport, priced at $1,500. A classic car in outstanding condition, powered by the original 400 cubic inch 2-barrel engine, and an odometer showing only 68,000 miles. The paint is still in excellent condition, and the engine compartment is very clean, indicating careful maintenance by its third owner. It still comes with the original advertising documents from Chrysler and has always been stored indoors in a warm environment, never exposed to rain. The car is entirely original, except for an added FM radio, and it underwent major maintenance in the summer of 2022 with very little mileage since then. Additionally, the car has recently replaced tires, making it ready for the road. Number 5. The 1976 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $6,500. This is a very rare model and remains in original condition without modifications. All options are available on this vehicle, though the air conditioning does not work, but all its components are still there. The 351M engine has been well maintained, and various repairs and maintenance were carried out in 2024, including brand new front brakes with new calipers, discs, and pads, a new front link kit, and all 4 new KYB gas adjust shock absorbers. Additionally, the rear springs and exhaust have also been updated. A tune-up in late 2023 included a new rotor cap and spark plugs, as well as an oil change, ensuring the car is in prime condition, even though some features like the AC need more attention. Number 6. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible, priced at $19,600. A unique classic car with a hardtop design, featuring an elegant tan vinyl interior and a 3-speed manual transmission. It is powered by an air-cooled 2.4L 6-cylinder engine, with the car characteristic of having the engine located in the rear and the trunk in the front. It is also equipped with 14-inch American racing wheels, manual windows, and a Pioneer radio, offering an authentic driving experience. The car is also available for export and commercial sale. Number 7. The 1973 Dodge Challenger, priced at $7,500. This special edition car comes with a 5.9 L360 engine in good condition. The car has also been plated and hasn't been used this fall. The interior features white leather seats, giving it a luxurious feel. Although it needs some bodywork, the structure of the car remains solid and clean for its age, with low mileage and an automatic transmission. It is an ideal and interesting choice for collectors. The owner is interested in trading it for a K-truck or van and is willing to add some cash if needed. Number 8. The 1967 Oldsmobile Tornado, priced at $4,995. With 63,000 original miles, it is powered by a 455 Olds V8 engine and features a front-wheel drive system with an automatic transmission. Overall, the condition of this car is very good, both exterior and interior. Although not perfect, the car remains attractive for its age, with all features functioning except for the air conditioning. The interior is well maintained with functional power seats. The car recently passed an out-of-province inspection and is registered. The owner includes a car cover with a sale and is not interested in trades. Number 9. The 1969 Chevrolet Malibu Sedan 4D, priced at $6,900. A car with 97,000 miles. Visually, it is very clean for its age, with a well-maintained body and shiny green paint. The front of the car has been updated with new front disc brakes and pads, as well as a new master brake cylinder. The rear has also been updated with new brake shoes and a new spring kit. The car has just passed inspection at SACU, indicating that it is still roadworthy. The interior is quite tidy, with the front seats still in good condition, although there are some signs of wear on the steering wheel. The trunk is clean, with a spare tire and some included spare parts. Number 10. The 1969 Ford Mustang, priced at $65,000. This is in very good condition. Purchased in 1996, the car was used for a few years before being carefully stored. It uses a straight-six engine with a 200 capacity and a 3-speed manual transmission, and it comes with the original engine and a spare engine for restoration. The exterior is mostly rust-free, with only a little Bondo on the rear side panel of the driver's side, while the frame is solid and straight, indicating careful maintenance and use over the years. The black interior is well preserved, with only a small tear on one of the seats and the passenger side ventilation controls missing. This car is a prime candidate for restoration, still retaining its vintage charm. The car comes with some additional interior spare parts. The car can start and drive, but it needs tuning to be road-ready. Number 11. The 1975 Mercury Cougar XR7, priced at $5,000. Its condition is quite good for its age, with some parts already replaced with new ones, including the gas tank, carburetor, fuel pump, distributor cap and rotor, spark plugs, water pump, master cylinder, and battery. The car's exterior still looks solid with shiny black paint, despite some signs of aging, particularly in the rear area, which shows some rust on the bumper. The engine bay shows a clean engine with clearly visible new components, especially in the carburetor area. Number 12. The 1968 Mercury Cougar, priced at $10,500. A very well-preserved classic car maintaining its original condition. The exterior has an elegant light blue paint with a matching blue interior, both in excellent condition. The car is also equipped with a 3.02 engine, indicating strong and reliable performance, as cars of its era do. The dashboard is well maintained, with clear instrument panels, including an odometer showing mileage. This vehicle is ready for vintage car shows and leisurely Sunday drives, highlighting its status as a valuable piece of automotive history. Number 13. The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $10,000. It has been significantly modified and appears to be in good condition with bright green paint and black accents on the hood. The car is equipped with a GM crate engine 350 small block Chevy SBC with Vortex cylinder heads and roller rockers, as well as a Holley double-pump 650 CFM carburetor for high performance. The 3-speed automatic transmission has a shift kit, providing more aggressive gear shifts. Additionally, the car uses a 3.73 differential, suitable for quick acceleration. The interior has also been upgraded with OMP racing seats for added comfort and support, as well as a complete gauge system, including a ProComp tachometer for accurate engine monitoring. The car is ready for racing or daily high-performance use. Number 14. The 1965 Plymouth Satellite, priced at $18,000. It has a 318 V8 engine with an automatic transmission on the column. The car has original patina and comes with a clean title and active license plates. The floor pan and frame are very solid, including the trunk area. The rear fenders have been repaired, but there is still a chance to obtain original fenders with the purchase. It is well suited to be turned into a Superbird or GTX Roadrunner clone. Number 15. The 1979 Cadillac Coupe Deville, priced at $4,200. The car is in very good condition with no rust, although the paint is a matte black with a classic look. You might consider repainting it for a fresher appearance. The car is road-ready, with a Chevy 350 engine, turbo 400 transmission with a 3000 stall converter, and a Dodge 834 positive differential with a 4.10 gear ratio. It has disc brakes on all 4 wheels and original BMW leather seats in like-new condition, used only for local car shows. This vehicle is very rare and attention-grabbing. The owner does not accept trades.